Okay, hey guys, we're going to open up the link in the description, download the hand file that I've supplied with you guys, or if you've got your own hand you prefer to follow with, awesome. We're going to open it up in Maya, and if you can't see the bones, hit this little button here and it'll show you the bone structures. We're going to start by making a fist, and just as rough as we can go, just for the sake of the tutorial. Right, perfect. Once you've made the desired shape of the hand, we'll go on File, Export All. I'm going to call this Hand Fist. And then we'll come over to Unreal, create a new folder called Hands. In here, right click, Import, Hand. Want to make sure we've got skeleton mesh, animation, and I don't want to create a new material. Import all. Perfect. And then after we've made that, we'll go import hand fist. We don't want to bring the mesh. We want to make sure we're using the hand skeleton, and import. This is just the tutorial. This is a tutorial for VR template. I've not done absolutely anything to it at all. So we're going to go through and find VR pawn. Open this up. First thing I'm going to do, we're going to go onto the motion control left and right, and we don't want it to display the device model because we're going to put our own hands in. And on this one we're just going to do the right for the sake of the speed. Hit add component, skeleton mesh. This is going to be right hand, and skeleton mesh hand. We'll go in and edit project settings, down to input. I'm going to add this on to B just for this. So this is going to be right B. On here we want to assign the controller button to Oculus Touch and Touch B press. Of course you can assign this to absolutely anything you want. Just for the sake of this tutorial, this is what I'm going to be using. Here I'm going to put right B, and then right click, right B, import. Then we'll grab this, we'll set it, copy it, tick the top box. When it's pressed, boolean will be checked. When it's released, it'll be unchecked. That's perfect. Then head over to hands. We're going to right click, go to animation, animation blueprint, add the hand skeleton, press OK. We're going to call this right hand underscore anim underscore BP. Double click. Here we'll add a new state machine, so new state machine, connect that here, open it up. We want to add a new state which is open, add another new state which is fist, drag this out, here we are, and we want to drag from open to fist and fist to open. We'll add a variable at this point saying make fist. On the way to the fist we'll edit this and get and plug into here, head back, and then on the way back we'll add make fist and type in not. Perfect. Then head over to the event graph, and then we're going to cast to VR pawn. This is whatever your player pawn is, because I'm using the template, that's what they called it. And then we're going to get player pawn. Perfect. And we press B. I forgot what I've called it. We'll go in and find out. It's right B. Okay. Right B. So we'll get right B. And we will set make fist from right B. We'll head back into the fist open, click on the new state machine and double click fist. We'll drag the fist animation in, go back, go to open, we'll drag the hand animation in. Perfect, compile, head over to VR. On the right hand, we go on there and we want to use animation blueprint, right hand anim, compile. Then we'll head back to the editor, hit play in VR, have a quick test. We've got a hand in, we're going to press B, hand closes, let go, opens back up. That's perfect.